So first question, it is given that construct an angle of 90 degrees at an initial point of the given train and justify your construction. Okay. So 90 degrees you have to construct using the protractor. Easily you can do it. Using the compass and ruler, how do we do it? Let us see. Okay. So 90 degrees angle you need to construct. So 90 degrees angle. First you draw a ray. Let us name it as a OA. And at the initial point, the initial point is O. At this point, you need to construct the 90 degrees angle. So to construct 90 degrees angle, first, what is the first step here? Steps of constructions are written here. Steps of construction. The first one is draw a ray OA. O as an initial point. Next, second, what you have to do? Draw an arc with O as a center and with convenient radius. Radius can be taken to your convenient radius. O as a center, one arc you have to draw. So 60 degrees angle. First, I will explain to you completely. Then after, but you draw the arc little bit length. This is more length one you have to draw. O as a center, one arc, and let us intersecting point you consider it as a P. Whatever it may be, your point. Now P as a center, one arc with the same radius. P as a center, one arc with the same radius. And this intersecting point you consider as a Q. Now Q as a center with the same radius, you draw another arc. So this is a, let us consider as a point R. Can anyone say that what is the AOR? AOR कितना होगा? AOR angle कितना होगा?
120 to 120.
Yes, 120 degrees. Why? Because normally whenever you consider that, you join this one. So this one. So this is equilateral triangle, so ये angle 60 degrees होगा. And you here to here the length, here to here the length, same length. Because this length and here to here to here to here. This is also equilateral triangle. OQ are also equilateral triangle. So here also you are going to get 60 degrees. So now this angle is 60 degrees. So you want to bisect this angle. So let us extend it. Extend it. Okay. So this angle 60 degrees for bisect the angle. So how do we bisect the angle? Because we need 30 degrees here. 30 degrees चाहिए. So bisecting करने के लिए O as a center one arc है. Already arc is there. Now Q and R as a center draw the two arcs which intersect at the point of B. Let us name it as, because A O B. Let us take into consideration. Now join the O to B. O to B join. Then we are going to get it. This is 30 degrees bisect. So the angle AOB is 90 degrees. Justification is, already I have told you justification, because this is the angular bisector we are taking into consideration. That is, angular bisector means the angle here is going to get as QOB is equal to 30 degrees. AOQ is equal to 60 degrees. So the total angle is 90 degrees. Did you understand? Once again I will explain what to do. Once again, by erasing this, once again I will explain it clearly. So first we have to draw one ray. O as a center. O as a center, one arc we have to draw. And it intersects the ray OA at P. So here what? Draw an arc with O as a center and with convenient radius, which cuts OA ray at P. Okay, now P as a center. P as a center with the same radius, draw two arcs which cut previous arc at Q and R. So from P as a center with the same radius, draw two arcs. Draw two arcs which cuts the previous arc. So ये इधर से same radius है, एक Q एक R में touch होगा, Q R. Okay? Actually, it is not necessary to us to join these two. ये P वो R join करने का जरूरत नहीं था. वो R join करने का जरूरत नहीं था. Just we have to draw the bisector. Now what you have to do? Q and R as a centers. Draw the two arcs which intersect at a point. Q and R as centers. Draw two arcs which intersects at B. Join OB. Join OB. Therefore, angle AOB is equals to 90 degrees होगा. This one has a center 1 arc here. 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 Yes. So what we are doing? We are drawing the angular bisector of QOR. Angular bisector of QOR. Angle QOR is also equals to 60 degrees. 60 degrees को bisect कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So angle bisector है. So this angle here to here the angle is 60 degrees. Here to here the angle is 30 degrees. Therefore the angle AOB is equals to 90 degrees. In the justification you need to write. Justification what you have to write here. Okay, so OP is equals to PQ is equals to OQ, and this is also equals to QR and is equals to OR. All are equal. Therefore, triangle OPQ and triangle OQR are equilateral triangles. Those both are equilateral triangles. Therefore, angle POQ is equals to 60 degrees. Angle QOR is also equals to 60 degrees because in an equilateral triangle. And OB is angle bisector of angle QOR. OB is the angle bisector of QOR. QOR का angle bisector है. Okay, so now therefore you can say that angle QOB is equals to half, 30 degrees. Therefore angle AOB is equals to angle AOQ plus angle QOB. AOQ is nothing but POQ. Both are equal. So angle POQ. If you get confused, you can write angle POQ, QOB. So this is 60 degrees. This is 30 degrees, which is equals to 90 degrees. Like this, you have to write with the steps and the justification. A little bit change if you are doing, it's not a problem. Means in your own words, if you write also, I'm not asking you to write as it is. Same as it is, madad karne ke liye, but reasons you need to write in a proper way. Did you get my point? समझ में आया?
Sir? Yes, sir.
Tell me better.
Sir, can you re-explain this question?
Okay, better. Okay, no problem. See here, 90 degrees you want to draw. Initial point of the ray. एक initial point of the ray पे 90 degrees draw करना है. So 90 degrees draw करना है तो first OA draw करेंगे. Okay. What you need to do? Here I am writing again. O to A, one ray draw करना. And if you O as a center, one arc you have to draw using the compass. Compass ले लो, compass से एक arc draw करो. This intersecting point P मानो. P, वो arc radius कितना है उतना ही ले लो. And don't change that. P as a center, one arc here, Q as the center, and this point as a Q, and Q as the center, another arc here. Okay, so here P as a center with the same radius, draw the two arcs. Okay, sorry, here we did a mistake. P as a center, two arcs, you are not supposed to write here. P as a center, because P as a center, two arcs we are not writing. Once P as a center, one arc, which cuts the previous arc. Okay, here you change this step a little bit, because meaning change for it. Sorry. So P as a center with the same radius, draw an arc which cuts previous arc at Q. Now Q as a center with same radius, draw an arc which cuts first arc at R, like this. Sorry. Okay. Meaning here P as a center, two arcs we are not right. P as a center, two arcs is nothing but here एक arc, नीचे एक arc, like that. But meaning is changing. P as a center, one arc here. Q as a center, one arc here. After drawing that, now Q and R as a centers, ये Q and R as a centers, ये दोनों centers के लेके you have to draw the two arcs like this, which intersects at a point of B. So ये दोनों को join करना है. Now how it becomes 90 degrees, please? How it becomes 90 degrees? This one you know that, because here to here length कितना है, here to here length also same. See here O to P length कितना है, O to Q length also same. So OP, OQ lengths are same, and हम P as a center with the same radius, इधर से इधर कितना radius है, वो ही radius ले लिया, तो this length also equal. So these three lengths are equal. So it is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle is nothing but this is 60 degrees. And in the same way, here to here whatever the radius you are taking, here to here also same radius, and same radius हम इधर से इधर ले लिया. So QOR also equilateral triangle. So that I have written both are equilateral triangle. And this angle is also complete angle is 60 degrees. So 60 degrees for this angle is 60 degrees here. And we are bisecting. To bisect any angle, what you will do? Bisect an angle draw करना. This one has a center, one arc here. This one has a center here, one arc. This one has a center here. This one has a center here. This one has a center here. आइए दोनों को join कर लो. Angular bisector है. Same process we must follow here. So therefore, this line is OB is the angle bisector. This OB is angle bisector of angle QOR. QOR. ये QOR का angle bisector है. So therefore, the measure of the QOB will be half of the QOR. QOR is 60 degrees. उसमें half होगा. That is 30 degrees. Okay. So now total the measure is 90 degrees. Simple है ना? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So very simple here. In the same way, mostly all the problems you can do. Whatever the questions are given to you, second question is given to you, construct an angle of 45 degrees at an initial point and justify your construction. 45 degrees construct करना है. So like this, 90 degrees construct करो. After constructing the 90 degrees, this point will be there ना? ये point को X मान, because this is 90 degrees. This one has a center one arc here. This one has a center one arc here. This one has a center one arc here. इस angle को bisect करना है. Bisecting is nothing but here you are going to get. So that is 45 degrees. Second question. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Same question में ये AOB is 90 degrees. So draw the angular bisector of the AOB. Angular bisector of AOB. So how do we bisect the angle? You know that. So in the same way, how to do it? All the problems are like that only, not complicated. Only this one problem. But model you need to know. So that's why I explained it. So let us see the third question. 75 degrees कैसे construct करते हैं? So now see the third question with 30 degrees. Third question, first one, it is given 30 degrees to construct. 30 degrees means 60 degrees draw करो. 60 degrees कैसे draw करते हैं? OA as the center one arc here. P as the center one arc here. Q. OQ को join करो. तो angle AOQ is 60 degrees. 60 degrees है. Now इस angle का bisector draw करो. Bisector is nothing but already one arc is drawn here. This is only the arc. This one has a center. This one has a center one arc here. This one has a center another arc here. But do remember that these two centers, whatever the arcs you are drawing, their radius should be same. इसको इक्वल होने का जरूरत नहीं. इक्वल भी रख सकते हैं, थोड़ा ज्यादा भी रख सकते हैं. But better to keep it as it is same radius. If you are not changing, it's not a problem. So now here, this is a point B. So therefore, angle AOB is 30 degrees. 30 degrees like this. Next question, 22 and a half. 22 and a half degrees. 45 degrees को bisect करो. 45 degrees कैसे construct कर लिया? Like that only. Suppose if you want to do that 22 and a half degrees. 22 and a half degrees draw करना. So let me give the steps to you. See, first one ray. O as a center. O as a center. One big arc. P as a center with the same radius. Q as a center with the same radius R. Q as a center, here one arc, here one arc. So actually these two arcs will be like this. And this point you consider it as a sum B. दोनों को जानना है. ये 90 degrees है. Now P as a center, one arc here. This point S as a center, another arc here. This one as a center like this arcs you are going to get. And ये दोनों को जानना है. Let us consider this point as a C. And this point as a P. PQRS T consider करो. Now ये 45 degrees. POT is 45 degrees. 45 में half चाहिए. Now this one, इसमें half चाहिए तो ये arc is there. This one has a center here one arc. This one has a center here one arc. Two arcs. And this point we consider it as D. AOD. AOD measure is 22 and a half. Bisector 3 times bisector you need to find out. इसमें 3 times bisector है. Either एक point bisector, either one bisector, either one bisector. So angle is 22 and a half degrees. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
not.
sir.
All the problems are same. Drawing and bisector. Next 15 degrees asked. Third question. 15 degrees बोलो तो ये 30 degrees है. इसका bisector ड्रा करना है. So this one has a center one arc here. This one has a center another arc here. ये दोनों को join करना. हो गया. 2 times bisector ड्रा करना. 15 degrees आ जाएगा. And fourth question it is asking you to draw the 75 degrees. 60 plus 15. 60 plus 15. Same 75 degrees draw करना है. Ray draw करो. OA. 120 degrees draw करो. So O as the center one arc. P as the center one arc here. Q as the center another arc here. So what do you get here? This is R. Now here this is 90 degrees आ जाएगा हमको. So 90 degrees आना है तो इधर 2 arcs. These two as the centers arcs करो. Join करो. Now this is what here. This is 30 degrees. ये 30 को bisect करो. This is 60 degrees. We need 75 degrees now. तो ये 30 को bisect करना. So this one has these two parts as the centers. Here 2 arcs you have to draw. Please don't draw like the in what way I am drawing with the hand. Use a compass. These two as the centers. Whenever you use center, S as the center one arc, Q as the center another arc. So ये दोनों को intersecting point you consider it as a point B. तो दोनों को join करो. Angle AOB is 75 degrees. ये 60 है. 30 में ये 30 में half करेगा. 75. 105 आना है तो suppose if you want 105 इसको SOR है ना, SOR को बाइसेक्ट करना है 105 डिग्री से सेम रे ड्रॉ करो OA O as a center, R ड्रॉ करो P as a center, Q as a center, here R Q as a center R आ गया, then after इसको बाइसेक्ट करो, you no need of drawing any place, Q as a center like this, 2 arcs ड्रॉ करो and इधर से इधर टच करो, this is angle 90 degrees, अब ये 30 degrees होगा, this is 30 degrees, इस 30 degrees को बाइसेक्ट करना है 105 you want means, so these two are the centers, draw the two arcs like this, so this is the angle, suppose if you name it as a some B here, ये वो B is 105 degrees. Did you understand here? All the see here only drawing the bisectors only. Only drawing the bisectors. Suppose 135 degrees angle. Now the question is given to you 135 degrees angle. So 135 degrees angle means 120 ray draw करो. You draw the middle point. O like this one line draw. OA. This one has a center, one semicircle draw. Okay. After drawing the semicircle, this is P. P as a center, one arc here Q. Q as a center, another arc here R. And this point we consider S. So what is POR? 120. POR is 120. And ROS is कितना? 60. ROS is 60. ये see here. ये ROS 60 है, QOR 60 है, POQ also 60. So till here we got 120. Still how much you need? 15 degrees. So इसको ये दोनों को join करके and this you bisect two times. One time bisect करना है तो this one as a center, this one as a center, here one arc, here one arc, R as a center, one arc, S as a center. ये दोनों को join करना. Let us name it as a T. Now this point you consider T, sorry. Here you consider P. Now here T as a center, R as a center, two arcs. T as a center, R here, and this is 15 degrees here. This point you consider C. So this measure is 15 degrees. This is totally 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. So here to here it is 120 degrees. So 120 plus 15 is 135. So 135 degrees. See here, it is mandatory to you all the members that today itself you draw these constructions using the compass, and after that compare the constructions with the protractor. These 75 degrees, 105, 135 degrees you need to construct using the ruler and the compass, and you have to compare them whether it is right or wrong using the protractor. If you have these 5 problems, 6 problems actually, one is 30 degrees, 22 and a half degrees, and in this third one 50 degrees is not bisect directly. And this 75 degrees, 105, 135 degrees.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the third question, second part. In the third question, second part, in the 22.5 degree where you have drawn.
Yes.
Sir, is it necessary there to draw the to make the angle from the initial point of the line?
To make the angle?
From the initial point of the line. Sir, because you have taken the 60 degree twice, and then you have means you have first drawn the 90 degree by using the 60 degree. Can we draw it by drawing a line, then taking 2 points from the end point of the line, like how we draw the 90 degree generally?
No, I didn't get your point. Voice clear nahi hai beta. I'm not understanding what you are asking. If anyone once again you tell.
draw 90 degree. We can draw 90 degree in another way also, no?
Oh, 90 degrees in another way.
Yes, sir. Sir, but in that,
Yes, this 90 degrees to draw, because you will get practice 90 degrees first question में किया है, that's why I told you to draw the 90 degrees. One line you need to consider. You draw the perpendicular bisector of the this line or line segment you consider. Line segment. Perpendicular bisector draw the. Like this perpendicular bisector, how do you draw? This one has a center here one mark, here one mark, here one mark, here. ये दोनों को ज्वाइन करो, ये 90 degrees हो गया. Then after you can bisect this angle 2 times. That is only your doubt, na?
yes, sir. Sir, I was asking that is it necessary to draw the angle from the initial point of the line only, or we can draw it from the from any part of the line, like what you have said now?
Initial point only is better. Initial point क्या है ना? उधर से ही 90 degrees, 22.5 degrees draw करना. Okay. Next, fifth question is given to you. Construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify your construction. Equilateral triangle, how do you construct? 60 degrees angle. This is on the equilateral triangle. One ray, if it is given to you, first you draw the one ray. Oh, suppose 5 centimeters is given to you. 5 centimeters radius you take. Take the radius as a 5 centimeters. Okay, draw an arc like this. Now this one has a center, same 5 centimeters, cut it here. And where it is cutting here, this one, these two join. So OAB is an equilateral triangle. That is based on that only 60 degrees we have taken into consider. Na? Okay? समझ में आया बेटा? इसमें कुछ डाउट है?
No, sir.
Okay. So now here actually